Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to connect an oxygen cylinder. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your oxygen cylinder is secured upright to prevent it from falling over. Before you begin, visually inspect the cylinder for any signs of damage or leaks. Also, confirm that your regulator is specifically designed for oxygen and is compatible with the cylinder's valve type. This initial check takes only a few moments, but is crucial for safe operation. Now, let's prepare for connection. Gently crack the cylinder valve by opening it for about 1 second and then closing it. This clears any dust or debris from the outlet. Next, carefully examine the regulator's inlet and the cylinder valve for any nicks or damage. Finally, double-check that the regulator's flow control knob is fully closed or in the off position before attaching it. It's time to attach the regulator. Carefully align the regulator's inlet connection with the cylinder valve. Begin by hand tightening the regulator nut onto the valve until it feels snug. Once hand tight, use the appropriate wrench to tighten the connection an additional 1/4 to 1/2 turn. Do not over-tighten, as this can damage the seal. A secure, but not excessively tight, connection is key. With the regulator attached, slowly open the cylinder valve all the way counterclockwise. Now, check for leaks. Apply a soapy water solution to all connections. Look for bubbles, which indicate a leak. If no bubbles appear, you're good to go. Finally, adjust the flow rate to the prescribed setting using the regulator's control knob. Always ensure the oxygen is flowing correctly before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.